I'm working in an iPad app that is called Doodlecast Pro, and each one of these little dots, we're going to make that be 1/2 inch. I think I want the eraser. I'm going to try again. I have not ever used this app before. This is my first raw attempt. And we're drawing the page of our impo. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Page is 11 inches tall, and remember that it's 8.5 wide. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 1/2-inch squares. Whoops, a little messy there. There we go. Okay, now we are bringing onto this 8.5 by 11, which is our impo document, 10 business card size flashcards. And we have 3/4 inch for our margin on the right and left. This is a 1/2 inch plus a 1/2. That's 3/4. And on the top and bottom we have an exactly 1/2 inch. Okay, and then each card is 2 inches tall. So they go across like 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then it's 3.5 inches across to down the middle. So this is a quarter. 1, 2, 3.5 is right there. Okay. So 1/2 inch at the top, 1/2 inch at the bottom, 3/4 on each side.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my students. Say hello.
Hi, how are you?
We're experimenting with recording a screen. Will, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So now we are, we're in our impo document. Extremely important that you recognize that term impo. It's short for imposition. The impo is the file that we're bringing the cards into. And over here in our other file, we have 1, 2, 3.5 by 2. We have our individual pages that are in our other file, our flashcard file, and where you're going to use the place command. Command D, which is file and place. Place is how we bring images or a page that functions like an image into another one. And then when you get in the place window, first you have to find your file, of course. Then way down here in the bottom there's a hugely critical spot where there's a box right here that says show import options. And we need to include that because we have to tell it which pages we want, which is going to be all of them. Okay? In our impo document we have 2 pages that look like the one I have sketched out because we need room for that many cards. And then we go to show import options. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on page 2 of our impo, it will be the next 10. It is really important that we use the place command, not copy and paste. I'm going to find out if I can change the color of my marker in the middle of this movie without having something weird go on. My son is laughing. Okay, it could be fun. It could be fun. We'll see. Okay, so can I get rid of that then? Okay, so now, place. I've now got a different color. Okay, extremely important that you use the place command, which is Command D, not copy and paste, because we want to maintain a link from this file, which is our flashcard. That's our flashcard file. We want to maintain a link to that document. The reason we do this for impo in prepress is that if you would need to go back and change the flashcard, let's pretend for a minute that we were working on the impo for an actual business card and you got very nearly done with it and then you found out you had the wrong zip code, or the client had given you the wrong phone number and they decided they wanted to use their cell phone instead of their office phone. We would go back and open the original file, make the changes there, and save it. Command S is always the keyboard shortcut for save. And then we would go in here in our impo file, and in the links menu, we would see these little triangles that say, uh-oh, not up to date because you changed the original, and we would update the links, and then the changed layout would come populate over into all the cubbies in the impo, and it would be ready to go exactly as it should be. So now, when we have our setup done, again, we will have 2 pages in the impo file. This is page 1. This is 1 through 10 that goes in here, and then in page 2 it will be 11 through 20. I'm going to stop recording and see what this is like and hope it's going to work.